Here's a GRE word problem. Let's take a look. A jet fighter is traveling due east at Mach 2.5. That's 1,600 miles an hour. Meanwhile, a prop plane is traveling due west toward the jet at 200 miles per hour. If the aircraft are 3,600 miles apart, how long will it take for them to meet? And these are all in hours. I didn't mention that, but they're in hours. Okay, so this is your quintessential colliding trains question. Although I realize we're not talking about trains colliding, we're talking about planes. So colliding planes, fine. When I have this situation of one plane or train traveling towards another, there's a very, very useful shortcut I can use. And here's how I go about it. I'm going to draw out the situation that we have here. So I have one plane going that way at 1,600 mph. I have another plane going that way at 200 mph. And the total distance between them is 3,600 miles. Here's how I do this. Let's start with the first plane. How far will this plane get in 1 hour? We time for 1 hour it's traveling. How far does it get? 1,600 miles, right? 1,600 miles per hour means that it travels 1,600 miles in 1 hour. How far does this plane get in that same hour? Well, it travels 200 miles in that same hour. Meaning that together, let's make this a cooperative effort, together these planes have traveled 1,800 miles per hour in that 1 hour. So you might see where this is going. How many hours then will it take them to travel 3,600 miles? Well, if they're traveling together, if they're covering 1,800 miles every hour together, that means it's going to take them 2 hours to cover 1,800 miles.